Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, then hello, I'm Nishita and I make videos on skincare, beauty, fashion, lifestyle and a lot more. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to catch up on all the fun. Also, if you're particularly interested in skincare, then make sure you're following me on my Instagram because I create a lot of skincare related content there as well. I also do skincare Saturdays wherein I review a lot of new skincare products, routines, etc. So make sure you're following me there. Today's video is an August favorites video. In this video, I'm going to take you through all the skincare products, gadgets, movies, food I've been loving all through the month. So without any further delay, let's just get right into the video. My first August favorite is the Cult product. This is literally everywhere. All throughout the lockdown, I saw people rave about this and I so wanted to get my hands on this and I finally got this in August. Now, this is the Ordinary AHA 30% BHA 20% peeling solution. Now, this is a chemical exfoliant. Now, before I talk more about this, I want to tell you more about what chemical exfoliation is. Now, we use scrubs, right? We use physical scrubs. So that has a grainy texture and it helps you get rid of all the dead skin cells that's on the surface of your skin. But chemical exfoliants go deep into your skin and exfoliate. So that's the major difference between these two. So I got this product of Cult Beauty. I ordered it somewhere in the mid of June. It took almost a month and a half to arrive. Since I bought it from Cult Beauty, the price was in pounds. I got this for around £5. So that's around 450 change, and I also had to pay customs. I paid about 50% of the entire bill. So I can say that I got this entire thing for about say 700 rupees. I also saw a lot of Instagram stores sell this for 2200 rupees. So I thought, I can as well get it for 700 rupees. So I went ahead and I got this. So the first ever time I used this, I have already reviewed it on my Instagram. If you haven't watched it yet, then you must follow me on my Instagram because I have a detailed review there. The first ever time I used this, I did not see a major difference, but from the second time onwards, I definitely saw the skin texture change. It became more smoother, but I did not see much of a difference when it comes to acne scars. But as I use this more, I might see the difference as well. If you guys happen to buy this, then you have to be really careful while using this product. Don't use this for more than 10 minutes. In fact, I would say don't use this for more than 7 minutes because it's a very concentrated solution. Also follow up with a good moisturizer. Just make sure you load up a lot of moisture on your skin. Also the next day for about a week to 10 days, make sure you apply a broad spectrum SPF because after chemical exfoliation, a lot of new skin cells tend to form. So you don't want it to, radically get damaged. So make sure you use a good SPF. Yeah, that's about it. I must say that I am really happy with the way it's working and experience all the good that it has to provide. Think of the devil and the devil appears. We just spoke about SPF and my next favorite has to be this sunscreen from L'Oreal Paris. Now this is the L'Oreal Paris UV Perfect Super Aqua Essence. I must say that the texture of this is so good. It gets blended into your skin really well. It does not leave your skin oily or greasy. That's one of the reasons why I love this. Also, this has an SPF of 50 and this is also long lasting. But having said that, it's really important to, reapply your SPF. Let me show you the texture. So this comes like a tube. So this is a 30 ml product and if you can see, I have it applied. Do you see it leaves no white cast and it's got like a really fresh and matte kind of look. I really love how my skin feels every time I apply this. So yeah, definitely this is one sunscreen that I would recommend and you can look out for. My next skincare favorite has to be this facial mist from Kalhan's Naturals. Now this is a hydrating rose petal mist. The ingredients are amazing. It contains of rose hydrosol, witch hazel extract and hibiscus extract. Now all of them are extremely hydrating. Facial mists are great saviors if you have to work long hours in front of your computer screen. Just a spritz of this can make you feel really refreshed. My favorite part about this is the packaging. It comes in a glass bottle, which is super cool. My next favorite is a makeup product. Now this is a light blue liner and this is from NK Makeup. I'm sure you guys would have already seen this in my Nykaa haul and I'm currently wearing it. If you can see, it's a light blue liner and I've not applied too much. I've just lined the waterline of my eyes. I feel like it gives more definition to your eyes, and the best part about this is this entire pencil costs you only 150 rupees. There are a lot of other amazing colors like violets, greens, browns, but I wanted to get something funky like always, and yeah, I got this. My next favorite is a gadget, and it's this Logitech mouse. Now, I'm someone who never really used a mouse for my laptop. I'm always this person who uses the keypad, but ever since I got this mouse, I'm sure there's no looking back. It's really simple, all the selecting, copying, pasting becomes so easy. You don't have to struggle with the keypad. And also it's got this on and off switch at the bottom. So, you can switch it off if you're not using. And yeah, there's not much to speak about this, but I think it makes my work so easy. And that's one of the reasons that this is in my August favorites list. My next favorite is from the food section, and it's just an empty packet like always. I saved it just to show it in the video. I'm talking about these healthy nachos from Cornitos in the flavor quinoa. These nachos are enriched with goodness of quinoa, chia seeds, flax seeds, and they also have Himalayan pink salt. Now, I'm not really sure about the healthy aspect of these nachos, but I must say they taste delicious. They have these healthy nachos in a lot of other variants. If I'm not wrong, they have it in spinach and beetroot, and this is giving me like a deja vu feeling that I've already included these healthy nachos in one of my earlier favorites. But I must say these nachos are to die for. So if you are a nacho fan like me, then you have to get this. Next up, we have a chocolate. I'm talking about this one from Amul, and it's their bitter chocolate. Earlier, I've had their dark chocolate and I was a fan. This is similar to dark chocolate, but this is more bitter, as the name suggests, of course. This is 75% rich in cocoa, and this is a natural source of antioxidants, and I couldn't agree more. Now, if you're somebody who has a sweet tooth, and if you're looking for, ways to control the sugar addition in your body, then I would definitely suggest these dark chocolate or bitter chocolates from Amul. They are amazing. They help you, soothe your cravings, and they taste amazing as well. So this box retails for 125 rupees, and it's definitely worth it. Next, let's quickly move into the TV shows and movies section. I have to say Masaba Masaba is one of my favorite TV shows of all times. Oh my god, what a hilarious show. It is a mixture of everything. It has seriousness, it has glam, it has glitz, it has comedy. It's just amazing. If you're looking for a good show to binge on, then I would definitely recommend Masaba Masaba to you. Now, coming on to the characters and all that. Now, it is about a fashion designer, Masaba, and it also involves her mother, Neena Gupta, who happens to be a really famous artist. Now, it's all about her dreams, how fierce she is, and how badass and sensitive she is at the same time. It's just amazing. You have to definitely watch it. It's on Netflix. My next favorite movie has to be Chemical Hearts. Now, this is on Amazon Prime, and it's a really beautiful movie. I don't know how to explain about the movie, but in the end, you will start to realize the importance of love, life, and yourself in general. And we have two Malayalam movies which made it to my August favorites list. Now, Malayalam movies have such a good feel and vibe to them. I'm definitely loving them a lot more these days. The first movie has to be Kapela. It started off on a very light, lovey-dovey note, but then it started getting intense towards the end. I do not want to disclose any details about the movie, because the minute I tell you any single thing, then the entire suspense would be destroyed. So I don't want to be that kind of person. So the next movie has to be Helen. Now, this is a really beautiful movie. It's a story of this girl who's really ambitious, but because of some turn of events, she has to undergo a lot. So it talks about the struggles and how she overcomes it and how strong of a woman she is. This is again a beautiful movie, so I would definitely suggest you to watch both these movies if you're looking for some feel-good movies. That marks the end of today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram for more such everyday updates about movies, skincare products I use, and a lot more. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye.